Hello everyone, this is your internet off.
This professional completely took over this ski village. This person did a prank using a fork and a magnet.
Sånn gutta, 3, 2, 1, hold!
These guys pretended that they were hit by a car to try and extort money from people, but didn't realize that this was an undercover police car. This poor puppy was terrified of the vacuum. An astronomer captured this amazing video of the surface of the sun.
I'm the chosen one.
This guy has some amazing stretchy hair. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.